Welcome to the Richard class. Myself, Sunita teacher. Today we will see a new lesson in English, that is the Paramvir Chakra Award. Okay, Paramvir Chakra Award. Paramvir Chakra Award is given to those brave soldiers, okay, who sacrifices their life, their families, just to protect a people who live in our country. Now, what is this Paramvir Chakra Award? Paramvir Chakra is the India's highest military decoration. It is the awarded for the most conspicuous, that means the most conspicuous, something that attract attention, bravery, or some daring, outstanding, brave soldier who sacrifices their life by themselves in the presence of the enemy, whether on land, sea, in the air. The enemy, whether on land, sea, or in the air. Land. See, land army soldiers. Soldiers who fight for us, that is a navy. Okay, that is a waterways. Sea. Air forces. There are the different types of army students who said who are in a different region, to protect of our countries. Okay. So Paramvir Chakra is a very rare honor. So far, it has been awarded only 21 times. Paramvir Chakra is a very huge honorable award, and it is awarded only 21 times. 14 of this award were given. 14 of award were given posthumously. Now, posthumously means what? That award is published after the person death. Award is published after the person death, because this is a huge and honorable award. It's not like that. There is only a Paramvir Chakra award. There are the different kinds of award. Okay, it is used to our brave soldiers. Bestowing means what? Giving something to somebody to show how much they are respected. Okay, to give something, to give like a award or something else, facilitate them to show the love and respect towards that person. Okay, so there are the different kinds of award students. But today we are talking about the Paramvir Chakra Award for our brave heroes. Our heroes, that means our brave soldiers. As I told you, students, only 21 times, this award is used to facilitate different brave soldiers. And 14 of them are posthumously. Posthumously, that means they get after their death. They get after their death. All right. Now here, we are talking about the Paramvir Chakra Award. Here we're talking about the Paramvir Chakra Award. Let me discuss and get some information about the Paramvir Chakra Award. If you observe the Paramvir Chakra Award, okay, if you observe the Paramvir Chakra Award very quickly, you can see that it is made by the bronze. Okay. So let us discuss and get some information about the Paramvir Chakra Award. Okay. Just pay attention towards this medal. Okay. Observe it carefully. The medal itself is very simple in appearance. Okay. If you observe the appearances, it is so simple, and it's made up of bronze, and it is fitted with the mounting and has a plane. The upper side, you can observe there is a purple ribbon sargent. All right. Purple ribbons is there. It is attached in the uplift. Okay. While the observation, clearly observe, there is an Indian national emblem at the center. Indian national emblem, it is attached at the center. and the surrounded, the nearby the center, there is a four replica of Indravarja, the replicas of Indravarja. Now, what is the Indravarja and why it is that replica, why it is on this medal? Behind it, there is a very long and powerful story that we will see later on. Okay. Now, Paramir Chakra, the word is ingredient in Hindi and English language. That means the Paramir Chakra, this is written on that medal in Hindi and English language, both the language. And there is a two lotus flowers in between. Okay, there is a two lotus flowers in between. Now, who designed the Paramir Chakra award? Now, who designed the Paramir Chakra award? The Paramir Chakra award, Paramir Chakra medal was designed by Savitri Bai Khanolkar. Savitri Bai Khanolkar was actually a European lady. She's actually a foreigner, European lady who married with Vikram Khanolkar. Vikram Khanolkar, an Indian army officer. Okay, that is an Indian army officer. After marrying to Indian officer, she changed her name and she became Savitri Bai Khanolkar. She loved India and she took the Indian citizenship. She spoke Marathi, Sanskriti, Hindi language so fluently. And she had studied the Indian arts, culture, traditions. Okay, she accepted all this, the Indian culture, so lovingly. All right. So this is about the matter, information, and who designed this matter. Now, let's move on further. As I told you, students, on that medal, there is an Indravarja symbol is there. Okay. Now, why the Indravarja symbol is there? Behind that, there is a one story. Now, what is this Indravarj? Indravarj or thunderbolt, you can say a thunderbolt, is supposed to be a matchless weapon. It is called, the people is called the Indravarj is one kind of weapon, which is a matchless weapon. Nobody could defeat that weapon. But what makes the weapon, impossible, unbeatable, or defeat? Why this maple is so precious and why this uh, weapon, it's unbeatable, cannot be defeat that matter. By this thing, there is a reason. Reason is what? The supreme sacrifices of sage Dadiji. Of sage Dadiji. Okay. Sacrifices of sage Dadiji. According to legend, thousands of years ago, a demon that means a devil person. This is a story of, this is a story of 1,000 years ago. This is a story of 1,000 years ago. Okay, there is a demon that is a devil person. Okay, that devil had stolen all the water in the world. Had stolen all the water in the world. Okay, and if there is a no water, if there is a no water, so people are suffering and dying without the water because the devil people could not allow a common people to drink the water. So the demon could not be defeated by any other ordinary weapon. It is not defeated by any other ordinary weapon. Made of ordinary material like wood, metal, etc. This metal cannot be defeated the demon, that means a devil. It was learned that the sage Dadiji had bones of such extraordinary power. The sage Dadiji was a common person and his bones, a human bones, his bone was such an extraordinary magical power it has. But how could one ask for the bones of a living man? Because he is a living person. So if you ask the person, can you could give me your bone? So that means first, before that person have to die. एग्जैक्टली राइट। अगर आप किसी पर्सन से उसका बोन लेते हो या उसे मांगते हो तो पहले तो उसे मरना पड़ेगा। सो नो बडी कैन आस्क द सिज दादी जी अबाउट द बोन्स बिकॉज हिज बोन हैव अ एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी पावर। But the Dadiji was a noble person, kind person. He himself laid down his life. He himself laid down his life and gave his own bone to help to the common people. Then, while laid down his health, while laid down his life, he gave to bone. With the help of his bone, he made a Indravarch weapon. Indravarch weapon. Okay. And with the help of his bone, with the help of that weapon, they can defeat the demon. That means they can defeat the devil. Okay. Just as the Indravarch power sacrifices of his own life, the Indian military also strength and power, they also sacrifices their own life and very bravest and very bravely they they fight to save their country. So that's the reason to give them the honor, the give them the honor, organize Paramvir Chakra medal. We are organized Paramvir Chakra medal, and on that medal, the Indravarja symbol is there, which shows the braveness, sacrifices the life for the common people, and it shows the kindness. Okay, so this is the story that why the Indravarj is attached in the medal. Now let us see the next. This is the 21 bravest of the list. These are the name of the bravest soldier who get the Paramvir Chakra. Now, one of the stories mentioned here of one great soldier, that is the flying officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon. Let me see his story. Now, flying officer Nirmaljit Sekhon, okay, who's this squadron number 18 and his flying bullets. The story is taken place Srinagar on the 14th of December 1971. Airfield was attacked by a wave of 6 enemy. How many enemies? 6 enemies are there. Flying officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon was on readiness duty at that time. That they are not in that duty. It could not take off immediately because of clouds of dust raised by another aircraft. Okay, he cannot be protect himself properly because everywhere there is a dust of another Air Force craft. By the time the runway was clear, the enemy aircraft were overhead. The enemy's aircraft in his overhead. They were flying low, firing, attacking the airfield with bombs. They have the bomb also. Even then, flying officer Second took off in his jet fighter the moment he could defeat them, he can fight with them and give them a and tag them, powerfully face the difficult situations. He damaged 2 of them. He fight with the attacking aircraft. Now the continue at treetop height. Now this is continue. This is continue. At last the enemy aircraft fell. Okay, from the scene of battle, the enemy aircraft and the town of Srinagar were saved because the Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon saved Nirmaljit Sekhon fight against the 6 enemy and save the Srinagar that place also. Flying officer Sekhon aircraft too crashed and he was killed. Okay, that his aircraft is too crashed and he was killed. Flying Officer Sekhon displayed great flying skill and determination in the face of certain death. He's facing the death, then also he tried to protect his country. He showed unmatched heroism above and beyond the call of duty. Salute to the bravest of the brave, Flying Officer Nirmal Jit Singh Sekhon. Okay. So there is a hundred of stories, student, about the soldiers who sacrificed their life. But in our book, only one story is mentioned here. But if you want to be learn more about it, the Paramvir Chakra medal, or else you want to be learn more about awardees, the Paramvir Chakra awardees. So do read more on the internet. You can read more on the internet. Okay. So about the PVC, that means the Paramvir Chakra awardees who laid down their lives in the service of the country, okay, who sacrifices their life. They belong to various communities and various other religions. Okay, other religions, other communities, peoples who came, who joined the army and they tried to protect our country. Okay, so there is a website is also, you can go in that website and you can find a more so army, their stories, and how they get this award. Okay, so you will get more information about it. So do find and read the inspiring stories and how they face the enemy without any hesitation. Okay, without any hesitation, any regard for their fatal wounds and physical pain. Letting down all this thing, they just try to protect their life while sacrifices their life. So this is the inspiring lesson about the Paramvir Chakra, that is our heroes, our real heroes of our country.